Hello everyone! So today, it's lunch o'clock time again. And we'll eat pinakbet. Pinakbet or pakbet.
I used to hate this as a kid. But now that I'm an adult, I love it now.
Because
I don't know. Maybe my taste buds have matured as well.
this kind of dish is a traditional Filipino dish originated from Ilocos region.
Really? Didn't know.
And it consists of variety of vegetables like squash,
Squash.
this one,
Pumpkin. Sitaw. What's sitaw?
sitaw is green beans.
Green beans.
String beans.
Green beans. Yes.
String beans.
Okra.
And bitter melon. The ampalaya. Yes.
And talong. Eggplant.
Eggplant. And tomato.
Tomato, yeah.
And they use shrimp paste. I think. That's why they have small pieces.
I like to think that this is the Filipino version of ratatouille. Diba? As ratatouille.
Pero hindi siya ganun kapansi.
Filipino ratatouille.
Pero sa amin.
Sometimes they put a slice of pork.
Yeah, but
This one only veg.
I like no pork. It's much healthier.
Really good.
Do you eat this? Your family?
Yeah, they like this. So that's all for today's video and thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye bye.